Hello, I'm Patrick from Germany.
Hi, my name is Patrick from Spain. We are the Fribesco service team. We love problems. Send us your problems through. We would love to solve them for you and build up our relationship for growing together.
A little bit about myself. Started with an apprenticeship as an industrial mechanic, and after that I did a study for mechanical engineering. My main jobs in Germany, I worked for a big tool machine producer. Since I'm in New Zealand, I work for Fribesco, and my main task here for Fribesco is I'm servicing sheet metal machinery, and setup machinery and remote support for customers.
Hi, my name is Patrick. I come from Spain and I came to New Zealand 11 years ago. I have a diverse range of mechanical experience, starting with bicycles. Then I went into motorbike racing, then cars. And when I came to New Zealand, I started studying mechanical engineering. And then I went to repair hoists. And after that, I came to the South Island, opened my own company to service all the machinery on the top of the South Island. And since 6 months ago, I joined Fribesco for a new adventure on servicing and repairing more big machines.
We offer service and repairs for sheet metal machinery, but also for milling machines and lathe machines. If you have a problem with your machinery or just want a service, get in touch with us.
At Fribesco, we don't only service, maintain, and also repair your machines. If a customer has a problem and we cannot get there on time, we offer remote support or guidance, try to get the problem solved in an early manner. If you want to get in touch with us to service, repair your machine, please get in contact through service@fribesco.com. That's our email. Otherwise, jump on the website. You can find all our details and history behind. We look forward to helping you.